Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is community, an A2 level noun meaning group sharing common interests. So, what exactly does community mean? Well, in its simplest form, a community is a group of people who live in the same area or have similar interests, feelings, etc. It's about belonging and being connected. Think of your neighborhood, your school, or even an online forum dedicated to a shared hobby. These are all examples of communities. We often use the word community to describe a sense of togetherness and shared responsibility. Now, let's delve into some synonyms for community. One common synonym is society. For example, our society values education. Another synonym is group. We could say, the hiking group organized a weekend trip. A similar word is association. For instance, she joined the local historical association. Another related term is fellowship. The Writers' Fellowship provided invaluable support. Lastly, consider the word union. The labor union advocated for better working conditions. Now, let's consider antonyms. What words express the opposite of belonging and togetherness? One antonym is individualism. For example, he valued individualism above all else. Another antonym is isolation. The experience of isolation affected her deeply. We could also use the word separation. For instance, the separation of the groups was a difficult decision. Consider also the word detachment. His detachment from the project was noticeable. Finally, we can use alienation. The worker felt a sense of alienation from the company. So, how can we use the word community in everyday life? Well, you might say, I volunteer in my local community. Or, there's a strong sense of community in this neighborhood. You could also say the online gaming community is very active. Here are some more usage examples. She is a valuable member of the community. The project aims to benefit the whole community. Building a strong community is essential for success. They live in a close-knit community. He's actively involved in the community center. The school serves the local community. The community came together to support the family. We need to foster a sense of community. The artist draws inspiration from the local community. The community garden provides fresh produce. She felt a real sense of belonging in the community. The community celebrated the annual festival. He's deeply rooted in his community. They are working to strengthen the community bonds. The community rallied to help those in need. The community leaders met to discuss important issues. The community benefits from the new park. This is a diverse community. The community promotes sustainable living. The community supports local businesses. He's a pillar of the community. The community takes pride in its history. We need to protect our community from harm. The community thrives on collaboration. She's a strong advocate for the community. The community has a rich cultural heritage. The community faces many challenges. The community works together to solve problems. The community welcomes newcomers with open arms. He's dedicated to serving his community. The community is actively involved in local government. The community spirit is alive and well. The community is a safe and supportive environment. The community is committed to education. The community offers a wide range of services. The community is working to improve the quality of life. The community is a valuable asset. The community is a place where everyone belongs. The community is stronger together. In summary, community is an A2 level noun that refers to a group sharing common interests. We explored synonyms like society, group, association, fellowship, and union, and antonyms like individualism, isolation, separation, detachment, and alienation. We also looked at how the word community is used in various contexts. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. As a challenge, create your own sentence using the word community and share it as a comment below the video. Until next time, happy learning!